Alright guys, here we're going to continue our inequalities. So as I was saying before, this is the second part of the video, and I happened to run out of time, so we're going to continue it into this video, okay? So we ended the video talking about the union and intersection, and how sometimes they might ask you, after graphing these, they might ask you the union and intersection. Well, we said that the union is all of the elements, or is everything, okay? And the intersection are going to be all the common elements. So in this case, I'm going to ask you the question, what is the intersection in this graph? Well, in this case, the intersection are going to be all values, because look, I have one going that way, one going that way. All of them are going to be, all values are going to be the intersection, okay? And think about, don't forget that this keeps going on and on and on, and this one also goes on and on and on, right? So make sure you know that as well, okay? So you don't just think, oh, it's only stopping at 4 and this is only stopping at -2. These arrows, meaning they keep going on. And that's why the reason why they always put the arrows, to indicate that they keep on going forever, right? So now we're going to take a look at an example. Okay, so let me look at the example. Okay, so let me clear this here. Alright, so now the example, let's do 54 greater than or equal to 9x minus 9 greater than 36, okay? So now first what we're going to do is we're going to try to isolate this. Actually, let's do plus 9 there. We're going to try to isolate this variable. So I'm going to subtract 9 from all of them. And then if we subtract 9, then we get 45 greater than or equal to 9x greater than 27, okay? Next, I'm going to divide by 9, because that's the last step of trying to isolate the x. So divide by 9. Divide by 9. Kind of writing sideways now. So that means if I divide by 9, then I get 5 greater than or equal to x greater than 3. Okay? So then now the question that I made up, they're asking that they want us to graph it in the or form of the inequality and also the and form of the inequality. So I'm going to draw two graphs. Actually, I'll use this straight line here. Okay. Let's get the arrows. Okay. And then we'll put the other one over there as well. Okay, and then we get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. We'll do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay? So now, let me say that this is going to be my or, and this is going to be my and. So now, let's start off with the and one. So, if we know that one of them is going to be 3, so it's going to be 3, and the other one's going to be 5. And the 5 is going to be solid, and this will be the range of the values that satisfy this inequality. And then now if I convert this into the or, this is if I switch these two around, if I switch them around, then I get x is less than or equal to 5, and then x is greater than 3. I don't need to switch x and 3 because they're already in the correct form. So then let's just graph it. So x less than or equal to 5, so 5 less than or equal to 5, so it's gonna go that way, right? And then we have x greater than 3, so 3 will go that way, okay? And there we have it. We graphed the lines for the inequality. This also concludes the video. Thank you for watching. Hopefully you understood everything in this video. And make sure to leave a like and subscribe down below. Thank you.